Hello everyone, I'm Titus. Here we are at the last stage of the assignment of foundation design of the building. Initially, we derived the dead and hydro values from ECAP software of planetary storage tall building and also the column positioning details shown in the table and experiment. Actual length and breadth of the smartphone. Let's start this. File, open, new model, design code as IES 456-2000. Then units as currently metric, design references. This you have to take. Okay. Then grips only. There you have to change the x and y directions. Then number of lines you should enter 19 in x direction, 19 and y direction. Same as grip spacing, 19 x direction and 19 and y direction. Then okay. Now we have created the grid of 18 cross 18. Grid has been now formed. Materials, where you have to select M40 HYSB. You have to add the material. It will come here. Then you have to click OK. Then after clicking that, define material. You have to define slab properties, where you have to add footing slab material as M40. Then 1750 thickness. I am giving you can give 1500 thickness. Then okay. Then same like you have to give for define HYSD find the thickness. Then click OK. Then they are given slab properties. Now define. Then click OK. Then define where you have to give for column properties, where we have two variants of columns, like column 500 cross 500, which is in the outer sides of this, like CD. Then 600 cross 600, 500 cross 500, where we are giving here this overall will be a 500 cross 500, and middle one will be of 600 cross 600. We are going to do that. Define column properties. We have given 500. Okay. 600 cross 600. Okay. Then what you have to do? Define subgrade soil separate properties. Where you have to go for soil 1. You have to click OK. You have to. Then what you have to do? After giving soil properties, next check load pattern, load cases and load combination. You have to check. Like define load pattern. Define, you have to go load patterns. Load patterns, you have to red and live. You have to check this. How much the time? Add load pattern. And then for load patterns, load combinations also have to define. Load cases, red as load cases. Red as linear statistics, live as linear statistics. Then click OK. Then what you have to do? Define load combination. Combinations like combo 1, you have to assign, combo 2, you have to assign. Then click OK. Then now draw the elements. We have to draw the elements of columns, like you have to draw an horizontal columns by using draw elements and vertical columns. Then what you have to do? Design step, followed by you have to do design strips on both the layers, like layer A and layer B. You have to give design strips. Next you have to do assign. You have to do support data, soil properties. You have to draw like design strips. You have to draw here. Assigning the loads, dead and live loads from the design steps. After giving design step, now you can check the assign loads, whether you have assigned the loads correctly. Now you have to assign the loads. Like you have to click on selected point, right click, project information dialog box will open, where you can go for loads, where dead. This is for I have taken for C1. If you click there, where you can see the dead load as what you have assigned, you can check and you can assign load. Like assign load, I have to click force types, so you can change the load as C1 for monthly moments. For moments, then you can like 3013. You can check the assign loads. Then assign the rebar material and footing instance. Right click on, like how you have to check and saying, right click on the footing area. Like this is the footing area. Now right click on the footing area. Right click on design rebar material. Design rebar material as XYST 500. Then click OK. Then you can check that. Then right click on the design strip, which is called design strip. This is design strip. Right click on the design strip, you will get strip object information, where you can check the same material as rebar material as SYST. Now we are right. Then what you have to do, run analysis and design. Then what you have to do, you can click for display of your punching shear designs, where you will get values. Your values should be in zeros value, 0 point something. It should be lesser than, it should be in the range of 0. If your value comes as 1 or something, you have to reduce, or if you have to increase the thickness of these slab properties. Then the final stress is interpreting the results. Now after running the analysis, what you have to do is display show strip forces, where have to apply A and we have to check moment, apply, have to display options, it should be fill diagram, show values. This all should be ticked. You should cross check with that. Then okay, apply. Now you can see the strip forces. Then it is applied. Then display slab design. Show slab design. Strip base, the where it was minimum reinforcing should be ticked. This should be in ticked. Then maximum moment, everything should be checked. Apply. You can see the slab design. Then display show crack width, where you have to click slab bottom face, slab top face. This both should be like slab bottom face. You have to apply. You can see the slab bottom face. Now if you give this, now display crack with top face. The slab top face, slab to apply. See, it's for top face. For I run, they have to give run detailing. There, run detailing, mark the plan. This should also be plan, generate and 3D model, register section symbols. All these three should be checked. Run detailing and generate diagrams. You have to click OK. This is the reinforcement. This is the detailing diagram. Reinforcement diagram. So check it. Now Model Explorer. Have to go to Model Explorer. Then detailing. Detailing. Drawing sheets. General notes. Drawing component views, where you have to go for rebar table slab views. There we have to go for rebar table. Now you can see the rebar table. Then rebar schedule. For rebar schedule, you can rebar schedule this. Rebar schedule values. Then after we can go to quantities, you can go to quantities. Then integer slab views. You get for mat 1. Mat 1 you can for rebar plan. This is top rebar plan. This is bottom rebar plan. Rebar plan all bars. All bars. Bottom rebar plan all bars. Section 1. This is values. This is for section 2. This is for reinforcement profile layer A. This is for layer A. Where you can see reinforcement profile for layer B. Where you can see section 2. Display rebar section in elevation views. Use other options to get different views of rebar plan.